You're about to discover a brand new way of stress-free trading that's totally different from anything you've tried before. You will love this if you've been struggling, and you will love it even more if you're already winning but wouldn't mind squeezing more profits out of your winning strategies. You see, what my team and I have come up with is a game-changing indicator that generates super accurate signals, allows you to get in early, and lets you ride the trend all the way to the very end. It's precise, it's laser-like, and it's deadly efficient. And don't think it will make your trading platform look like the panels in a plane cockpit. No, you will simply follow the signals that tell you when to buy or sell. That's it. It's designed in a way that an 80-year-old grandma or a 10-year-old kid could easily use it. It's friendly to any level of technical skill. Let's see how it works in real action. Here are some screenshots showing its fantastic performance. Euro Japanese yen, 167 and 48 pips profit. British pound US dollar, 3 quick wins, 117, 182 and 37 pips. Here is something even more impressive. British pound Japanese yen, 2 easy wins, 80 and 467 pips. And here are some more trades on Euro US dollar. 130, 260, and 120 pips. This is truly exciting profit, and it's very easy too. Now, just think about it. Why would I make it hard? Your job is hard enough already, right? Losing is even harder, and we don't want to add to that madness. I don't want it to be hard for you to achieve freedom. Yes, that's what I had in mind when we created it. I can be anywhere in the world as long as there's an internet connection, and I can make money from forex. If that's what you want to, pay attention. The thing is, even if you have a little capital in your account right now, you can take the trades the indicator alerts you to, and little by little, as the winnings add up, you will have enough capital to invest more in your trades and make some seriously high profit. Similar to the kind of profit made by the super successful full-time traders, day in and day out. I'm talking about traders like myself, who used to be chained inside the prison of a job their heart just wasn't into. I was fed up with fretting over having late penalties recorded on my file if I was stuck too long on the freeway in the mornings, even when I got up really early, not to mention the frustration of not having enough time during my lunch break to take care of errands. But the worst part was seeing my kids' sad faces when they wanted to spend some time with me. But I had to work late, again and again. Trust me, I know what you're going through. I did something about it, and I'm going to help you too. I want to make you a successful trader. I have an amazing trading tool, the one you've just seen on the screenshots. It lets you trade confidently without the problems most traders in the world suffer from. The secret weapon I have is Trend Mystery. I am going to give you this very same tool I use to extract pips from the forex market on a daily basis. It generates reliable buy and sell signals with laser-guided precision. All you have to do is place your trades and bank the profits. Trend Mystery will make you confident when placing trades, especially huge ones that have little risk of losing because the algorithm is engineered to quickly detect powerful trading opportunities and show you their profit potential in advance. It is a beast at pinpointing easy winning trades that the majority of amateur traders generally don't see. So stick with me, because I'm about to show you more about how Trend Mystery can definitely boost your trading to the next level. But let's pause a little bit. There's something I need to get off my chest. You and I know there is a lot of BS floating around in this industry, and I want you to know I'm different. I'm a straight shooter who genuinely cares about your success. So without further ado, please let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Carl Dittman, and I've been around the block long before the gurus came and messed up the forex industry with their scam products. In the early days, I was a sore loser. I blew trading account after trading account. I was tempted to give up, but I stuck with it until I tweaked and modified strategies that eventually produced winning trades. I got more confident to the point where I was able to trade full time. And what's even better, share my methods with others who wanted what I had. My family is well taken care of, and my life is the envy of a lot of people who ridiculed me when I was starting out. Maybe you were like I was, struggling, or being laughed at because you were trying to master this forex thing. Well, I like to shatter perceptions. I remember the anger and the revengeful, I'm gonna show you attitude I had. I'm satisfied when my students write me saying that I helped prove naysayers wrong. That, my friend, is my biggest joy. Call it revenge of the nerds, if you will. And this is why I'm so passionate and driven about sharing Trend Mystery with you. Okay, enough about me. Now let's take a closer look at how it works and how you can use it to your greatest advantage. Buy signals appear in the upper part of the oscillator window. See these 2 dashed lines? They break this part into 3 sections. In the first section, you would get a normal signal, but you would get a stronger signal in section 2. Then, if all 3 sections are covered, that's the strongest signal with the highest potential to bring us some high profit. The same logic applies to sell signals, which appear in the lower part of the oscillator window. The lower the section, the stronger the price movement is expected to be, and the more profit potential there is. These sections can help you choose at which point to enter your trades. Let's say you get a signal at the first section. You can enter your trade right away, but it might be a good idea to stay put until the signal reaches the second or third section, and then immediately jump in the trade, right when it starts getting its strong momentum. You can also choose to skip signals that never make it to second or third section, thus avoiding flat market and trades with low power and small winning potential. See how simple it is? But that's not all. Check this out. Unlike most other indicators, it does not repaint. The signals will always remain in place. Trend Mystery works on 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hourly, 4-hourly, and daily time frames on all pairs. Its signals are very accurate. No guessing when to enter or exit. Use the sections that we just spoke about to enter at the time that fits your trading style and exit once an opposite signal is generated. Now look, if you are someone who doesn't like too much action and believe in a slow and steady wins the race approach, you can easily set Trend Mystery to conservative mode and enjoy your trading. Enjoy that adrenaline rush and don't mind slightly higher risks? Choose aggressive. And if you want a mixture of both worlds, go with medium. Plus, let's say you're a veteran, you're advanced. Choose custom mode and easily customize the signals to your preferences to get more out of your already successful trading strategies. To make sure you never miss a trade, you can choose to be informed about every new signal in 3 ways. You can enable all of them at the same time or just choose one that is most convenient for you. The first one is a pop-up alert with sound on the MT4 platform. Keep your broker platform running while you are doing other things, and once the pop-up alert sounds, you can instantly place your trade. Easy! The second one is instant email notification, which will send alerts to your email. And the third one is push notification, which will send alerts to your phone. You can then bring up your mobile trading platform to place your trades as soon as you get the alerts. With these 3 ways of receiving alerts, it would be impossible for you to ever miss profit-laden trades. Listen, my team and I have pulled out all the stops to create a money-making tool that is 150% easy to use. As you've just seen, you just get the alerts and place your trades. There's a famous quote by Gordon Gekko from the movie Wall Street, and it goes, "Money never sleeps." Well, Trend Mystery never sleeps too. It works 24 hours a day, 5 days a week to hand you profitable trades on a platter. It will only stop if you turn it off. There's no other way to stop it. Really, when you think about it, I don't see any reason why you won't be able to make money with what you are about to get today. In summary, you will get Trend Mystery Indicator software, your own copy that will serve you for life. You won't pay fees for subscription or updates. A clearly outlined user guide, written in such a way that even a child can easily follow the instructions to install this tool and begin getting alerts to profitable trades within minutes. Support. I'm extremely serious about this. There is nothing more frustrating than being stuck and not knowing what to do. So, if you need my help for anything at all, please feel free to send me an email at carl@carldittman.com. Updates. If my team and I come up with ways to further improve Trend Mystery, you will get access to new updates absolutely free. I can bet with everything you've learned about Trend Mystery, you're probably thinking it's worth about $1,000, right? Well, it's worth more. I was offered multiples of that by some high net worth investors, but it wasn't about them. It's about you and your success. They are already rich. Getting you to their level is my goal. I've been where you are now, and it wouldn't be fair to have you shell out thousands to find the cure for your trading woes. So here's what I've done. I've come up with a figure that easily covers my overhead for my rockstar developers and loyal, skilled staff who have made Trend Mystery possible, and still makes it affordable for you. Your investment in Trend Mystery will only be $147. That's a measly drop in the bucket compared to the lifetime of profits you will get. This is like handing you a cash-for-life ticket that pays out weekly, except in this case, you're not scratching to see if you won. This is not a guess. With Trend Mystery, you already know you will win. You just need to invest $147 to get the weekly payouts. That's all. Seriously, why would you pass this up? This is a gift horse staring you point blank in the face. If you're still skeptical, I want to make sure this is a totally 100% risk-free deal for you. So here's my 30-day money-back guarantee to you. Yes, you have not a thing to lose with 100% no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. You will have 30 days to use it. test it and experiment with it and see with your own eyes that trend mystery is what I say it is. And if after your testing and experiments, you don't see how trend mystery can take your trading to a whole new level, simple. Just send me an email and you will get your money back. That's how fair I am. Like I said before, I am a straight shooter. So now that I have taken all the risk from you, what's to stop you? What you need to do right now is click the Order Now button below to get instant access. You won't know how profitable using Trend Mystery will be if you don't try it. Get it today and witness the amazing transformation of your account 30 days from now.
You